Look at your behavior. That's what she is ashamed of you. Damn. Look at what you become. Matter of fact, what you've been. I was jealous, man. I was just so in it. I was just so committed. No, I don't regret it. I learned what love is one time. Let it go, let it go, let it go. Let it go. Cause you're doing too much and you don't. But when I know it's you, when you try to hold on to my attention, won't you let it go? Let it go, let it go, let it go. Trying to watch, trying to get a reaction. I am a child, so I cannot be touched. You have something really good and you want it bad and you need it. I don't want to be feeling dead, so I said that I was needed. I thought you would be real, I thought you would be right. Talking all that tough shit, then you gon' go down. I hope that it comes out good. And I'm just relaxing. I might make me some tea later on, depending on how I feel. I'm just trying to just relax myself, and I'm just trying to relax myself a little bit and just relax. Whew. So yeah, I feel pretty good. I feel like I'm a little bit better, not all the way better, but getting there. I just very short of breath, and that's because my nose is still stopped up a little bit. So that's what that is. And yeah, so right now I'm just waiting for this glue. This is the second coat, so I'm waiting for this glue to dry halfway, and then we're gonna put it on. Like I said, I hope I did not cut this lace too short or whatever, because I'm trying to make this as a good install. I really want to do a updo, like a half up, half down type thing, but I don't know. I just hope that it come out right, and I'm just trying to take my time with putting it on. I really want to do my nails today. If I don't do it today, then I'll do it tomorrow. But I really want to get this video up and upload it for y'all. So yeah, that's basically all I've been doing. I'm just gonna sit with y'all and talk with y'all. So I hope y'all guys enjoy this video, whatever it is, a vlog or whatever. I just want to be consistent. I'm really not trying to, I don't want to say that I'm not putting no effort in it, but I'm not really trying to think as much think as much while I'm doing videos. Just record it, put it out, and if people watch, people watch. If they don't, then hey, you just don't. But yeah, I'm just sitting here, y'all, waiting for this to really dry. And I'm gonna spray this on me, y'all. 1,000 Wishes from the what is this called? Bath and Body Works. 1,000 Wishes, and then also Platinum. Y'all have to go get these. They smell so freaking good. Like, oh my god. Like, I just want to just spray it all over my body. Like, that's how much it just smells so good to me. And I even have the body wash in 1,000 Wishes. I accidentally picked this up, y'all, because I wanted to get the lotion for the 1,000 Wishes, but I picked up the Platinum lotion, but I thought that this was the lotion. It turns out that this is the what's it called, body wash. So honestly, I might bathe in that tonight. I just want to just relax tonight and just be in my element and just be calm, because I'm feeling very, 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 like, I'm sorry, damn cough. I'm feeling just very, just calm. Like, I'm just calm. Just letting life, y'all, because, you know, it's gonna be 2025, okay? And I'm so excited because, y'all, I'll be turning 26 years old. Yes, 26. I'm getting old. I'm already 25, so next year it's gonna be 26, and I'm very, 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 like, oh my god, can't believe I'm 26. But yeah, it's coming, and it's moving. So as y'all can see, this hair, it looked pretty dry to me. So we're gonna go ahead, Lord, please let this install. You guessed it. Yeah, I got you. Too bad I'm vibing, nigga. I'd be fine without you. Guess you found out all them other hoes wasn't about you, and now you're gonna waste your time chasing me. Nigga, please, ain't no need to waste your time being caught up over me. Nigga, please, I don't wanna hear about it. You can tell your friends about it. About it. Tell them about it. What you know, what you say. About it. You thought you was a nigga fucking bitches. Now you wishing you was with me, living life so true. Even on your friend that I was cool with, they don't know that you be on that bullshit. Tripping, just don't push it. It's cool, I'ma focus on my vision. Cause you only get one pass and you used it. You used it, amusement. So funny how you used to flex, how'd you lose it? Now you look so stupid, and it's so amusing. Yeah, left it is so you. Alright, y'all, so so this is the final look, y'all. I hope y'all guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And let me know down in the comments down below if y'all like this hair. Alright, and I'll catch y'all in my next video. Bye.
If you can tell your friends about